Learn to pop the negative talk by Bluejack Kids. What is negative self-talk? Negative self-talk are thoughts that come into your brain and tell you negative things about yourself, such as, I'm not smart, I can't do anything right, or no one likes me. We all have these types of thoughts. Today, we are going to learn to pop the negative self-talk and replace it with positive self-talk. First, I want you to give your negative self-talk a name. I call mine Rocco. This is Rocco. Rocco is like a bully in your brain. It likes to trick you into believing negative talk about yourself. Write your negative self-talk on a balloon, then pop it and replace it with healthy self-talk. No one likes me. Replace negative self-talk with positive, healthy talk. Tell Rocco that's not true. Many people like me. My family loves me. My teacher likes me. My close friends like me. Rocco, stop lying to me. This visual will help you pop the negative thoughts away. So remember, give your negative self-talk a name, pop the negative self-talk, and replace it with positive self-talk. Bluejack Kids, Center for Social and Emotional Learning. Subscribe to our channel and follow us on Facebook and Instagram.